Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hey friends, now here we are going to talk about the compounds of nitrogen and starting with the first one, that is dinitrogen. So here we are going to talk about the preparation of dinitrogen. So now let us understand the different reaction where we could obtain nitrogen. So friend, this is a topic that is what we are going to talk about, is how we can prepare dinitrogen or how we can obtain dinitrogen. So in this case, so starting with the first one, that is we can obtain the dinitrogen from ammonium chloride. So in this case, one of the example that I'm considering over here is, suppose if ammonium chloride is reacted with NaNO2, that is sodium nitrite, and that also obviously we have to provide a certain kind of temperature or at a particular temperature, this will produce that is N2, that is dinitrogen, along with that of 2 moles of H2O and NaCl as a byproduct. So this is how basically we can obtain the dinitrogen from ammonium chloride. And now let me talk about the next reaction. So the next reaction is we can obtain dinitrogen by thermal decomposition of ammonium dichromate. So this is the chemical formula of ammonium dichromate. So in this case, basically NH4 twice Cr2O7, that is ammonium dichromate. Whenever obviously we are writing that is thermal decomposition, so that's the reason that we have to provide a certain kind of temperature so that this molecule will get decomposed so as to obtain that is N2 as a main product, while H2O and Cr2O3, that is chromium oxide, it will be removed as a byproduct. So therefore this is how basically we can obtain dinitrogen. So this was the second method, and now let me talk about the next method. So we can obtain that is dinitrogen from bleaching powder also. Suppose if bleaching powder, that is CaOCl2, if it is reacted with ammonia, that is nothing but a base. So in this case, the reaction will occur at a particular temperature so as to obtain that is CaCl2 as a main product, along with that of that is 3H2O. So here also where we can obtain that is dinitrogen. In the form of gas, it will be liberated. So this is one of the other method, and now let me talk about the next one. So the next is from sodium and barium azide. So this is barium azide, and suppose on thermal decomposition this will give us that is barium along with that of 3 moles of N2. And suppose if I'm talking about sodium azide, so on thermal decomposition it will give us 2 moles of Na along with that of 3 moles of N2. So therefore this were the different methods where we can obtain that is dinitrogen. So this is it. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I will see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.